guys, it's Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to perfect your Spanish. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the ultimate Spanish vocabulary guide for your trip. This guide will help you communicate effectively and quickly with locals to make of your trip the best one yet. Come with me and overcome the language barrier so that nothing stops you from seeing the world. This video will cover 3 of the most important aspects of any trip: the airport, finding transportation, and checking into your hotel. So with no further ado, let's get on with the video. I do finger guns way too often. Number 1, the airport. Although nowadays most airport signs are translated and you can easily find the person that speaks English, learning your destination's language isn't just about making things easier for you, but also to have the best trip possible. ¿Cuál es el motivo de su viaje? What is the purpose of your trip? This is the first question you're gonna get asked when you land in your destination. To this, you're gonna answer either trabajo, business, or placer, pleasure, or both if you're lucky. One word you'll want to remember is disculpe. This means excuse me, and it's very polite to use it before asking questions. Disculpe, ¿dónde está la puerta de embarque número? Excuse me, where is the boarding gate number? Boarding pass is boleto or pasaje. Salidas or partidas means departures. Arribos or llegadas means arrival. If you're doing your check-in and someone says, su vuelo está demorado, that means your flight is delayed. And here are some follow-up questions that you can ask. ¿Cuánto tiempo tardará? How much time is it going to be? And if you're in a hurry, you can ask, ¿cuándo sale el siguiente vuelo? When's the next flight? You can add con destino a with destination to at the end of that sentence or any sentence related to your flight. Another unpleasant situation at the airport is when your baggage is lost. If this happens, someone will come up to you and say, su equipaje está perdido. This next phrases will come in handy. ¿Dónde está mi equipaje? Where is my luggage? ¿Cuánto tiempo tardará en llegar? How much time is it going to be till it's here? ¿Pueden enviármelo a mi hotel? Can you send it to my hotel? La dirección es, the address is. And finally, always remember to memorize your introduction for any situation that may require it. For example, soy Ana, soy americana, soy estudiante, me quedaré por un mes. This means I'm Anna, I'm American, I'm a student, and I'm staying for a month. Number 2, moving around. We're gonna separate this subject on 3 possible situations: renting a car, calling a cab, or finding public transport. If you want to rent a car, you can memorize these sentences. Disculpe, ¿dónde puedo rentar un auto? Excuse me, where can I rent a car? ¿Cuánto cuesta rentarlo por una semana, 2 semanas, 3 semanas? How much does it cost to rent it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? ¿Dónde debo devolverlo? Where do I have to return it? Quisiera un auto automático or quisiera un auto manual, if you want to drive automatic or manual. If you want to take a cab, there's basically 2 sentences that you have to memorize. Hola, la dirección es, the address is, and ¿cuánto cuesta? How much is it? Or ¿cuánto costará? How much is it going to be? Keep in mind that cabs are really expensive, so if you can take the public transport, it's gonna be much cheaper. And finally, if you want to jump on the bus, autobús, or the subway, metro, these are the questions to memorize. ¿Dónde está la parada de? Where is the stop, whether it is metro or autobús? ¿Cuánto cuesta el boleto? How much does the ticket cost? And ¿Cuándo sale el próximo? When is the next bus, for example. I swear, I really did try to get through this video without drinking mate. But it's just a need at this point, really. Okay, and finally, the last part, checking into your hotel. A good thing to remember is that check-in has become a kind of universal expression. So if you say check-in or check-in when you get to your hotel, people will understand. I'd like to check in is quiero hacer el check-in. Tengo una reservación. I have a reservation. ¿A qué hora es el check-in? What time can I do my check-in? ¿Puedo dejar mis maletas aquí hasta el check-in? Can I leave my bags here until I can check in? Me gustaría, I would like, una habitación, a room, with, vista al frente, view to the front side of the building, con dos camas, with 2 beds, en el primer piso, on the first floor. And finally, the most important question. ¿A qué hora sirven el desayuno? What time is breakfast? Okay guys, and that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're planning to visit a Spanish-speaking country soon, I wish you all the best luck in your trip. And if you're visiting Argentina, let me know in the comments if you want some recommendations for the best places to visit. Don't forget to check out OCTB and book some Spanish lessons so you can learn grammar, conversation, and everything that you need to know from scratch. And I'll see you there. Mwah.